Okay, welcome to this video whereby I want to show you how to close all trades, positions or orders, with bulk operation on MT5. There might be some situations, whereby you have a lot of orders and you needed to close them one instead of closing them one by one. You needed to close all at once. So this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, let's commence. So if you come to your trades, then you click on any one, depending on any one you want to, because I will still explain depending on the trade the particular trade you click on, or particular currency pair you click on, it will show you what you needed to do. Okay, here we have volatility 75, volatility 75, volatility 50, volatility 75 1 second index, volatility 50 index, volatility 25 step index. So you see we have step index, buy sell, we have 25 and all. So let's assume I want to deal with volatility 75 1 second index. I'll just click on it, then it will bring up bulk operation, and I want to show you all these options. So you can close all position. That means all position, no matter if it is the same currency pair or the same volatility indices, all position. You just tap on this, you close all position. You can close profitable. This one, if you choose this option, that means you are going to close all your profitable, all currency pairs that are in profits. It is going to close them. If you choose this one, it is going to close all losing position, no matter what currency pays. If you choose this one, it's going to close all your buy positions. It's going to close them. Then if you choose this one, it's going to close all positions related to your currency pair or volatility. Like in this case, we tapped on volatility 75 1x index, so that is why it's giving us this option. Then if you choose this one, it is going to close all buy positions because we tapped on buy. Okay, let us go to, we have volatility index, we have all these are buy positions. So if you go to volatility 50 index, we tapped on, let us tap on, this is a sell position. So I'm showing you something. You see, it's a close volatility index sell positions, all sell positions. Is because we tap on volatility index sell position. So it all depends on what you want to achieve at any particular point in time, right? If I have step index here, I have step index sell, I have step index buy. So if I tap on step index buy, bulk operation, you see that it says, okay, hold on. If I tap on step index sell, this is a sell position. Step index, bulk operation, you see that close all positions, close all profitable, all these ones, but related to your particular volatility or currency pairs you are having, you can say close all step index position. This one is closing all, whether buy or sell. This one close step index sell positions, step index position, it will close all. Close buy will close all your buy. If your step index is the ones above, okay, the one above your step index, those ones are the ones that it will close. Okay, so that is the reason why I just say let me particularly explain. Okay, let's take this one. We are going to choose the option close by step index position. Okay, bulk operation, close by step index. You say it has closed the step index, whether buy or sell, it has closed them. Then if we stay here, close all position, you can see the magic here. Close all positions or close all losing positions. Close losing positions to close all losing positions, right? So if I still tap it here and say close all positions, right, it will close all no matter what I have there. So if you use this, it will help you in order to like manipulate your orders instead of closing them one by one, and then going through the emotions of losing money or as the case may be. So this is just how to close all positions, all orders, all trades on MT5 with bulk operation.